This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get a Zepto card. First, let's dive into the straightforward process of applying for your very own Zepto card. We'll cover everything from understanding the initial requirements to navigating the application form with ease. My goal is to help you feel confident and informed every step of the way, ensuring a smooth experience as you prepare to unlock the benefits of this convenient financial tool. Let's get started. To begin, ensure you meet the basic eligibility criteria, which typically includes being at least 18 years of age. You'll need to provide a valid government-issued identification, like a driver's license or passport, along with proof of your current address. The application process is primarily online, requiring you to fill out a secure form with your personal and financial details. Make sure all information is accurate to avoid any delays in processing your request. Once approved, your Zepto card offers a range of fantastic benefits designed to enhance your financial experience. You can look forward to earning exclusive rewards and cashback on many of your daily purchases. The card also comes with robust security features, including advanced fraud protection, giving you peace of mind with every transaction. Managing your account is simple through the intuitive mobile app, allowing you to track spending and make payments effortlessly. After receiving your Zepto card, the first step is to activate it promptly, usually through the mobile app or a quick phone call. Next, set up a secure and memorable PIN to protect your transactions and enable ATM withdrawals. Take some time to explore the mobile application thoroughly. It's packed with features to help you manage your finances effectively. Remember, customer support is always available to assist you with any questions or concerns you might have.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.